Hello, I am Roopa PC, Assistant Professor in Commerce, Sri Shankaranand Singh Government First Grade College, Hospet. This is the 13th session of Cost Accounting, BCom 5th semester, Vijayanagara Sri Krishna Devaya University. In the last session, that is 12th session, we have solved one problem regarding the reorder level, minimum stock level, maximum stock level, average stock level, danger level as well as EOQ. In this session, we will know about the stock turnover ratio, how to calculate the stock turnover ratio or material turnover ratio or inventory turnover ratio. So what is stock turnover ratio or inventory turnover ratio? Inventory turnover ratio, which is also called the stock turnover ratio or stock velocity, establishes the relationship between the cost of raw material consumed during the given period and the average of cost of opening and closing stock of raw material. It indicates the speed with which the raw materials are consumed for production. So it is possible to find out whether the inventory comprises of obsolete stock or the fast moving raw material. To find the stock turnover ratio or material turnover ratio or inventory turnover ratio, the following formula can be used. Cost of material consumed during the period divided by the average stock of material during the period. So cost of raw material consumed during the period can be calculated as follows. Cost of opening stock of raw material plus total price of raw material purchased during the period minus cost of closing stock of raw material. So average stock of raw material can be calculated as follows. So cost of opening stock of raw material plus cost of closing stock of raw material divided by 2. So here is one illustration. From the following data, calculate material consumed, average inventory held and inventory turnover ratio. So information given is opening stock rupees 10,000, purchases during the period is during the year is 52,000 and closing stock is rupees 6,000. So first we will calculate the cost of raw material consumed during the period. So for this, cost of opening stock plus total price of raw material purchased during the period and minus cost of closing stock of raw material is used. So 10,000 is the opening stock of raw material and 52,000 is the purchase price of the raw material minus closing stock value is 6,000. So 10,000 plus 52,000, it is 62,000 minus 6,000. So cost of raw material consumed during the period is 56,000. So second question is to calculate the average stock of raw material. So average stock of raw material can be calculated by averaging the cost of opening stock and the cost of closing stock of raw material. So cost of opening stock of raw material in this problem is 10,000 and the cost of closing stock of raw material is 6,000. So total, that is 16,000 divided by 2, that is 8,000. So third is to calculate the stock turnover ratio or material turnover ratio or inventory turnover ratio. So formula for this is cost of raw material consumed during the period divided by the average stock of material during the period. So cost of material consumed during the period we have calculated earlier, that is question number A, 56,000, and average stock of raw material during the period is 8,000, question number B, answer. So that is equal to 56,000 divided by 8,000 is equal to 7 times.